What's going on, everybody? It's your man David down at Crosstown, Chrysler in Edmonton, Alberta, and from the Used Car Superstore is this 2015 Ram 1500 Limited in brilliant black crystal pearl paint. Underneath the hood, you'll find the Hemi 5.7-liter V8 engine, putting out robust performance and amazing sound. It runs smoothly and gives out lots of power. Driver's seat is fully power adjustable, and there are two presets for it. Front passenger seat is also fully power adjustable. This does have power adjustable pedals so you can have the best driving position. Leather wrapped steering wheel feels great in the hands with unique materials on the top, which also feels really nice. There is a limited badge in the middle console area. Nice leather padding and unique stitching for arms to rest on. Open this up, there is an upper storage area. There's a change holder, and there's also a USB port, an auxiliary port, and SD card port connected to your media, along with another USB port, which is great for charging devices. If you have cords coming out of here, run them along the sides so when you close the lid, it doesn't crush your cords. Grab a lower, there's an even larger storage area, which there is a CD player so you can listen to all your favorite CDs. This has LED interior lighting throughout and a power sunroof. Just press this button here once and the power sunroof will open up right before your eyes, letting in lots of fresh air and sunlight if it's sunny outside. There is a 12-volt DC power outlet in the back seat area, a nice Ram badge, heated seats in the back too, and two settings for both. Directional air vents so people in the back seat area can adjust their own airflow. There is a fold-down armrest with two big cup holders. They can flip it back up if they don't want it down. There is storage underneath the seat on the left side, but on the right passenger side, underneath the seat, there is a subwoofer connected to the Alpine Sound System, adding to the exceptional sound quality. You'll love the Alpine Sound System, crystal clear audio. You'll never want to mute the music. This has RAM boxes on both sides. These are very handy because you can put tools in here, anything you want. It'll be secure. They do lock up, and there are convenience lights in here for nighttime. You just press the lock button on the key fob. All the doors will lock. They'll also lock the tailgate and the RAM boxes. So you know anything that's in these RAM boxes are going to be fully secure. This truck only has 120,791 kilometers on it. Push button 4-wheel drive with 4-wheel drive auto. Trailer brake controller. This has active level 4-corner air suspension. You can raise and lower the Ram by the push of a button. This has tow/haul mode. You can turn off the traction control, heated and ventilated seats, and a heated steering wheel. You can turn off the front and rear ParkSense parking sensors by the push of a button, and you can easily turn them back on whenever you want. There is a 115-volt AC power outlet, and the front and rear ParkSense parking sensors show up on the driver information center screen. They'll let you know if you're coming close to an object, front or behind you. And when you put this truck into reverse, a backup camera appears on the touchscreen Uconnect system, and there's guidelines that move as you turn the wheel. AM/FM radio and SiriusXM. This has dual climate control with the auto feature, which allows the Ram to adjust your climate control for you. GPS navigation, put an address, will show you how to get to where you want to go. Bluetooth with voice recognition, you can pair multiple devices. It's the 2015 Ram 1500 Limited in brilliant black crystal pearl paint. It's a crew cab with a 5-foot box in the back. Book a test drive today.